Okay, in this tutorial we're going to have a look at polarization with a Z if you're from the US. Okay, so polarization is all about converting random light. Here's the sun. The waves are all random. There's no alignment. They're electromagnetic waves of different frequencies, but the shape of the waves are at all angles. So what we're saying with polarization is if we apply a filter, which is just one of the two ways, like this, the only waves that are going to get through of the random ones, that they're all there randomly, they're all sorts of different angles to each other. The only thing that comes out are the ones that are actually, just draw some lines to show the alignment. That's not the wave. This is the wave. The wave is like this. And there'll be lots of them, but they're only the ones that are horizontal, because we have a horizontal alignment on our grid, on our axis there. So, polarized light. Is on the right. Normal light is on the left. Random alignment of the waves. Now, the other thing that you need to know is, naturally, without a polarizing filter, we can actually just get polarized light in everyday life because it is a product of reflection too. Let's write it here. Reflection. Reflection gives you a high content of polarized light.